Boys, welcome back. Took a 3-day break. We just got back from the cabin. Oh god, Ian Serviceall! Also, it's really hard to move right now. I got a sunburn, a tampon stuck in my eye. It's not funny. It's a little funny. Boys, we just do another video where I just talk and don't cut out all the dumb stuff I say. I have no filter with my stupid jokes. And I'm saying stupid joke because I really want you to know that tampon joke was a lie. Anyway, back in action. We're back in action. Boys, all I gotta say first off is I'm looking at this damn watch I've been trying to give away forever. Generally, I say 1,000 thumbs up within the day. I need to give it away, boys. You guys deserve it. 800. Let's make it easier, and we won't. 800 thumbs up within the day. You gotta comment, thumbs up down below. Hit me up on my Instagram, tell me you did it, and you're gonna get this. If not, I'm about to spin this into an ad real quick. If not, I'm gonna include it into one of your mystery boxes on the link down below, NameBranFam.com. Our mystery boxes are still live for the month. Now, the coolest part, let's get it out of the way. One of you guys in your mystery boxes is gonna find either an Xbox Series X or a PS5. Boys, what's in a mystery box? A random merch shirt of one of mine. We also have a chain that's gonna come in your mystery box right here, boys. Absolute beauty. And a sticker pack of a couple of my logo designs. Link is down below. Appreciate the support so much. And if you guys don't want a mystery box, we also have jewelry that's free. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. Somebody just might even just be getting this in their mystery box too if we don't do that today. Awesome, good, sick. Alright, I'm out of breath weirdly. I shouldn't be, but I am. Alright boys, on to the package. I usually talk too much, people tell me that, but I like talking anyway. What we have right here, I literally went on a website like, I don't know, maybe a month ago, who knows, and they were promoting the 6ix9ine chain. It literally said in their description, maybe not, it might be a word off here. I'm gonna try to find it on my phone. I know I have the picture, I'll put it up right there. They had that picture with saying something like 6ix9ine's new unreleased piece. We have it for you first, or whatever the hell. You guys have actually been sending me the links to this so often, so we had to check it out, boys. Without further ado, we're getting into 6ix9ine's unreleased piece. I think it's full cap what they're doing, which is why there won't be a link down below. Also, there won't be a link down below is because I was searching on AliExpress and I found it for like at least $100 cheaper, I think, if I remember. So I'm not promoting their company and letting you guys pay that high dollar when you don't need to. You can find it on AliExpress, so if enough of you guys ask down below, or if I remember, I'll just post that link to AliExpress if I still have it. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into this, boys. I want to get out of the chain videos so bad. You guys tell me to do freaking, I'm doing it again. I'm talking too much. You guys tell me to get into the UFO stuff though, and the Bigfoot stuff, all the stuff I really like, and then I do a video on Bigfoot, literally unboxing his freaking, oh my god, this is legendary, and I broke something. Not the cast though. Literally unbox this, and you guys give me like freaking half the views. So we all have to work together on this if you really want me to get out of jewelry, as I do a little bit, although I'm very stoked for this. Talk too much again. Back in action. I already said it. Anyway, boys, this piece looks so hard. I got a joke there, but I'm not going to do it. I'm super excited to actually see what it, and it comes in a box. I knew that, and then it's not even a branded box. This is better. I hate branded boxes because I have to shout them out. Without further ado, 6ix9ine's apparently once again unreleased. This is sick. What? No, I did not expect that. I actually thought this was going to be another failed video. Let's go! Yes! I'm going to impress you maybe. Oh my god. Bro, I would actually wear this 1000% if 6ix9ine doesn't. I don't wear fake jewelry, but I would wear this. I mean, I paid a pretty penny off top dollar. Whatever the hell that means. Boys, you let me know down below, because a lot of you guys, once again, it's the damn patch. It's the damn jewelry companies. Don't pack it in this, bro. At least it's not skin tight, but it's just like, you can't get to the chain without breaking the damn thing. I proved it in the past. Like a lot of times, but my rage also could have helped with breaking the chain. Anyway, boys, this is actually sick. It's like pulling off snakeskin, which would be animal abuse if I was pulling off snakeskin like this, so don't do that. But, you know, I could if I needed to. In the wilderness, trying to skin a python to eat it. I don't know. I'd be boss, actually. I'd take a couple Instagram pictures with that. No, I wouldn't. That'd be sad as hell. I'd get a lot of them followers. Alright, we're tearing her open with the vape. You can see behind the scenes, boys. This thing's absolutely, actually really crazy. We are gonna diamond test it, too. And And here she is, boys. So once again, this just got me intrigued with their wording on it. I really don't know if that's factual or not, that it actually is an unreleased piece. What that could mean is somebody had a leaked photo of his next chain coming up. This is bullshit. Dude, this is tangling. This is the worst. Don't buy this, boys. Don't buy. I think it's sick already, but don't buy this. Oh my god, bro. I swear I'm not a mad person. Am I? Boys, this is what they were talking about, and I thought it was full cap. I still think it's complete cap. I don't know how this website would claim that. If they have any video proof of him wearing it, they didn't. Nothing like that. Just literally the picture that I showed you guys earlier is all they had. But boys, I had to check this out, just playing off their cap. Possibly. And also, I thought this was the sickest thing, man. If I actually got its custom chain like this, man, I would be so happy. South Park reference, by the way, boys. I feel like you miss a lot of those. Best show of all time. That and Kenny vs. Spenny, my Canadians will know. I'm scared to put this on. I'm really scared because I know I'm gonna wear it, and I tell you guys I don't wear fake jewelry, but this is sick. This is really sick. Oh my god. I just love this style. It's a little like, you can call it whatever you want, girly because there's sunflowers on it, but I think that's kind of lame nowadays. I love this, boys. So you guys let me know if this is actually 6ix9ine's unreleased piece, if you've seen pictures of what they're coming at. I mean, you got a sunflower here. It goes all the way around. You got another one, light piece, bad quality. This probably will turn your neck green, but I do want to diamond test it, and then we'll get the hell out of here. How's it sound, boys? Talk too much in these videos, which means I have to edit way more, and I'm just not gonna get this up in time. Y'all know the vibe, bro. Set it up for right there. She's charging up right now. We're gonna place her on the piece, and hopefully she diamond tests well. You guys kept asking for me to bring this back, and I will, just because you keep asking. It's gonna beep in a second. This might be a long video, boys. We don't do lots of takes in these videos. I kind of just go one off, and I edit everything out that I say that doesn't matter. Maybe I won't today. Wow, let's go. I think we're gonna try the sunflower. Yeah, nothing. I could cap on y'all right now. I could cap on y'all right now and do this. That won't even go up. Yeah, oh, it did go up. Yeah, no, it doesn't pass, boys. Sick piece, so I'm actually stoked, and you guys let me know down below. One last question. Should I wear this? I really want to wear it. I think this is a sick style, and maybe I just need to get past the ego of like me trying to wear like the real stuff, you know what I mean? I promote it on the channel all the time. You want to wear fake jewelry? Wear fake jewelry. It's a weird like stigma for no reason. I don't know why we do that to people. Just, you know, buy what you want, wherever you want. Nobody controls you, you know what I mean? Okay, yeah, now I'm really getting loopy. I gotta piss off and edit this video before I get way too more stoned. Okay, bye, love you. Good vibes always, boys, good vibes always. Positivity gang. Shout out my boy NixFace1. Great kid. Also, you're gonna have to pay me for that, bro. At least 500 bucks.